সবাইকে চ্যানেলে স্বাগত জানাই। আজকের ভিডিওর মূল বিষয়বস্তু হচ্ছে সামনেই স্বাধীনতা দিবস আসছে। তো সেই ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স ডের উপলক্ষে একটি বক্তব্য, সেই বক্তব্য কীভাবে দেওয়া যাবে ইংলিশে, তো সেইটাই শেয়ার করছি। সম্পূর্ণ ভিডিও দেখার অনুরোধ থাকলো। আর ভিডিও দেখার পরে যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তো ভিডিওটি শেয়ার করবেন, আর চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করার অনুরোধ থাকলো সবার কাছে। তো প্রথমে বক্তব্যটা শুরু করছি। Ladies and gentlemen, respected teachers and dear students, today we stand together to celebrate a momentous occasion in our nation's history, Independence Day. This day holds immense significance as it marks the day when our beloved country, India, broke free from the chain of colonial rule and emerged as a sovereign nation. The journey to freedom was not an easy one. It was paved with the unwavering dedications and sacrifices of countless brave souls who fought against oppression, injustice, and tyranny. We owe a debt to gratitude to these heroes who envisioned an India free from foreign control and worked tirelessly to achieve it. As we gather here today, let us take a moment to remember those who gave of their comfort, security, and sometimes even their lives for the cause of our independence. This courage and determination continue to inspire us to thrive for a better tomorrow. Independence Day is not just a day off from school or work. It is a day of reflection, of appreciation, and of rededicating ourselves to the principles that our nation stands for. Our tricolor flag, saffron white and green, represents our diversity, peace, and prosperity. It is a symbol of unity that brings together people from various walks of life, culture, and religions under the banner of one nation. As we witness the flag unfurl and the national anthem resound, let us renew our commitment to the values that define us as Indians. Let's remember that our strength lies in our diversity, in our ability to embrace different perspectives, and in our collective effort to build a better future. Today, as we celebrate our independence, let's also remind ourselves of our responsibilities as citizens. Each one of us has a role to play in the progress and development of our country. It is not just the duty of our leaders or the government, it is a responsibility that rests upon our shoulders as well. By respecting our fellow citizens, by being honest and responsible, and by contributing positively to our communities, we can contribute to the growth of our nation. So, my dear students, as we mark this Independence Day, let us carry forward the legacy of our freedom fighters by working towards a nation that they envisioned. A nation where every individual has the opportunity to thrive, where justice prevails, and where our unity shines better than anything else. On this occasion, let us come together with a sense of pride and gratitude for our nation's past and with a commitment of shaping its future. Happy Independence Day to each and every one of you. Jai Hind.